you. Oh my God, I cannot believe this, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Ratchet Show, Season 2, Episode 1. Oh my goodness. I really missed you guys. I really missed you. And I'm back, guys. I'm back. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, Season 2, and of course, this is Episode 1. My name is Derek Ratchet. And because of you guys, I've been given another opportunity to do this show, man. Who saw that, eh? Anyway, so welcome to the Ratchet Show, Season 2. And before we start, let me just explain to you this new season ni mambo mpya. So because this season we'll be doing different things. It's not just politics. This time we're talking about entertainment stories. We'll be talking about politics kidogo hivi, interviews, anything just for you guys. Remember, they call me Derek Ratchet, and of course, as I said, this is the Ratchet Show Season 2, and I'm the happiest man right now. Guys, are you ready? Can we start the show? No, thank you so much. Let us get on to our first story. Now guys, on to our first story. Let's talk about the world coin. Everybody have been talking about world coin. Wewe, ni nani hapa amescreeniwa macho or scanning or something? People have been scanned. Yani, everybody was going there kupata pesa za bure. So let's talk about what is world coin. A lot of people don't know what is world coin. World coin is basically a cryptocurrency. Na nitaongea lugha yenye watu wanaelewa. So cryptocurrency that was, started by one man. Hapa jina ni ngumu, my friend. Sam Altman is the one who, of course, walianza na kampuni fulani. Watu wamejipanga kidogo hii wakaanzisha this world coin. So world coin is a cryptocurrency, ni kama ile Bitcoin, where people trade. Is it online? I don't know. So like they trade online and they buy things. So Worldcoin was trending this week because Wakenya wengi walisikia ni pesa ya bure na kila mtu anapenda pesa ya bure. So watu wakaenda pale kuangaliwa macho. Wengine wakaenda pale wanasema sijui ni Illuminati. Wanataka kutubeba. Wengine wakasema ati after 2 days watu wengine watakuwa zombie. You understand? So Worldcoin is a company that of course was started on July 24th, 2022. Yeah. So even though iko, so this is just a cryptocurrency that and the question that everybody was asking ni kwa nini wana scan watu macho? You understand? Why are they using that? So the basic reason is just for the uniqueness of personhood. Yani kwa macho kuna something unique that every individual haifanani na mtu. The way kuna kuwa na fingerprint, but kwa macho it's very difficult to duplicate. You understand? So that's what was happening. Na sijui kama how many of you guys went for scanning mukapata pale 7,000. Watu walipata pesa. What? Wait. Watu walikuwa wasema, wewe uko hapo na macho na watu wanapewa 7,000. So people are really getting paid. Or rather not paid, but of given that allowance ya world coin. So it's a beautiful story. Remember to comment kama ulienda pale kupata hiyo world coin. Yeah, that's what was trending pale. So just tell me kama wewe umeenda pale ukaskaniwa. By the way, for me ningeenda, but you guys know that when the show ended I was very busy. Nilikuwa nikitravel nini. And my Miami people, big up to Miami, by the way. So let's get on our talk about Raila and Ruto talks. So when we took a break over 6 months ago, we took a break after finishing the season 1. There were a lot of maandamano. Watu wameandamana. For me, I was not really affected directly because sisi matajiri hatukuwa Kenya. I'm sorry to say that. Hatukuwa Kenya, but wenye mulikuwa mulikapenda. Ilikuwa tu unaamka maandamano sijui nini. So because of that, Raila and Ruto held some secret meetings, and this meeting, it is said that the meeting happened in Mombasa. And the meeting happened in Mombasa. And of course, people are still asking, was this meeting, will this meeting help bring kuleta amani between these two leaders. So of course something interesting is that maandamano watu waliumia, people were killed, people were robbed, and it's from the Ratchet show we feel like it's very bad. It's very bad for Kenyans to rise against Kenya, their fellow Kenyans, to fight. You understand? So the talks are still there. So something interesting is that the person who, of course, initiated or was standing or was helping at these negotiations is the former president of Nigeria, President Obasanjo. Ndio alikuwa pale naombe tulia. Najua uko na hasira, tulia. Wewe pia tulia. Ni nini mbaya? Mbona mpendani? Si ni mimi nataka kuchukua hii kitu. Tulia. Ni nini? Unataka kuwa president. Mimi nilikuwa president, you know. Sasa mimi jameni, yeye anataka kiti na niko ndani ya kiti. Sasa tutakalia kiti watu wawili jameni. So people are just speculating when the meeting ilikuwa, but of course we pray and believe that of course kutakuwa na amani about the Raila and Ruto talks. So there are some of the people when I think they have been nominated, the likes of Akina Kalonzo Musyoka, they have been nominated just to be in those talks. And remember to really explain, I really want we Kenyans to maintain peace. It doesn't make sense that tukiambiwa ati indication maandamano ndio tunapigana. It doesn't make sense. We are brothers, we are sisters, we are neighbors, you understand? So it doesn't make sense that we fight when someone tells us to do this thing. So that's what I'm pleading with Kenyans. Don't do that. Lakini the talks are still ongoing. Watu wanasema ati Raila alikuwa anasema vitu mingi kidogo hii. Sitaki kuingilia siasa, but I can just try to imagine how that meeting was. Ruto was like, sasa my friend, mimi nimekuambia kwamba ugoje miaka 5 tufanye election alafu utachukua hii kitu. Sasa wewe unataka hii kitu sahi? And Raila was like, mimi nataka sasa ifunguliwe. Actually kwa sasa nyingine nani tuone kama mimi ni bishinda. So let's talk about everything. Let's talk about this trending. What was trending this week was about Aziad and Chira. For those people who don't know who is Aziad and who is Brian Chira, my name is Brian Chira. I know somehow could have been nimesikia sauti, and of course Aziad is a TikTok superstar who made her jinake alitengeneza vizuri siku za COVID, if you remember the song Utawezana. So she made her name from that, and of course so the two were having some issues. Na Brian Chira, mimi naitwa Brian Chira, alipenda kwa sababu he was taken to Aziad sued Brian Chira na kampeleka kwa koti. Na kijana alikula nini, alienda kwa cell pale na kakula tusiku pale kwa jela. So Aziad wakapelekana kwa koti. So something funny, I don't know whether my producers will get the video, but the lawyer kuna majina sema lawyer alikuwa anasema pale, so why was Chira accused, or rather was taken to court by Aziad? Ni venye alikuwa ametusi Aziad ati wewe Aziad hata hauna kitu ya maana, yuko tu nyuma, matusi tu. So of course the two went to court, and Brian Chira akaachiliwa pale na I think it's a bond of 50k or something. And so that's what is happening. But my concern is this. Sasa jameni, na hii pesa kidogo hii jameni mumeanza kupelekana kwa koti. Brian Chira na hii pesa kidogo hii mshaanza kupelekana kwa koti, kila mtu ako na lawyer. Anyway, let us see how that unfolds. But we are so happy for Aziad and of course Brian Chira. They are doing a great and tremendous job pale TikTok. Remember to tap the screen. Now please mutume gift. How many people know that vocabulary? Ati. Well, let us get on to the next story. Let's get on to the next story, guys. Let's talk about Riggy G, who is the deputy president of Kenya, known as Rigathi Gachagua, has of course fulfilled his promise. So, former Mathira MP, who is now the deputy president of Kenya, Rigathi Gachagua had promised the people of Central that when he becomes the president, he will make sure kwamba watu wamekula nyama. And of course amewatreat. Watu walikula nyama. Watu walikula nyama pale Sagana. And of course you guys mnasema wanasiasa you don't keep your promises. Sasa hiyo jameni, si watu wamekula nyama jameni? Na maisha ni ngumu. Of course wamekula nyama pale. And of course Riggy, something else interesting is that of course Riggy also this week alikuwa ameambia MP wa Azimio ya kwamba you people of Azimio, if you think that we fear you, then just know that we fear you. Okay, I'm sorry. What he was trying to say is that hawatapewa bodyguards ama hawatawarudishiwa bodyguards kama hawajakuwa na discipline. So the deputy president alikuwa anasema, if you people of Azimio think that me truthful men will give you back your security, hiyo ni ndoto ya mshana. I cannot, we cannot, you shall not, we are not giving you back your security. Paka muonyeshe ya kwamba you want to help to bring and to be truthful men the way I'm a truthful man. So Rigathi Gachagua was literally saying that watu wazimia watapewa bodyguard paka waache hivi mambo ya maandamano. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, isn't your story? I think watu wananiambia ati ni holiday imeniharibu. Jamani sasa nimenona. Anyway guys, those are some of the top stories, and of course we've just tried to highlight. Remember, today we were just celebrating the comeback of the Ratchet Show season 2 manze. After Hapa Banze, you guys are going to have an after party for the premiere of the season, the Ratchet Show season 2, man. I'm so humbled. I'm so happy to be part of this beautiful show again. Remember guys, remember to follow us on YouTube. That is a funny Ratchet King. Go there, subscribe, and of course guys, when Mwambia, this will be different. This will be different. There will be a lot of more content, interviews, entertainment stories, everything that you want. Just let us know pale kwa comment section. Remember to subscribe to Funny Ratchet King. And remember, my name is Derek Ratchet. They call me the imaginary, the best ever talk show host. They are not also calling me now the comic physician. See you next time guys. I'm done. This is the Ratchet Show season 2. Thank you.